Hi there, this is a quick high-level tour of the Mailbox Power system, including the Pink Dot tour. If you're new to the system and you haven't done this yet, make sure to go through the Pink Dot tour. You can find it if it will either show up here if you're brand new. If you did minimize it, you can access it over here with a little pink tab here. You click that, get started, and it's going to open these 4 steps. Make sure to run through this. It will do each of these 4 things. It'll give you an overview tour of the system. It'll show you how to add a contact to your address book. It'll help you create your first project. And it'll also help you send your first shipment. So it's super useful and it walks you through step by step. So make sure to check that out. And then here's just a quick tour of the system. When you first log in, this is the page you're going to be taken to. These are all the different categories here in the center of all of our personalizable, individualizable, customizable gifts and food items, drinkware. We also have this limited time only section. This is great to spend some time in because it's where we will test new products, or if we have holiday selections, things that are, for a limited time only, you can find these here. This calendar is where you'll find your trainings as well as upcoming birthdays that are in your system. So the yellow dots are the trainings, just to use this as an example. 8 a.m. Legends Daily Wake Up Call. Then we also have noon training. This is our onboarding training. And then at 5 p.m. we have a system overview. Today's happens to be with Joe Kennemore, our illustrious CEO. And so the yellow dots are the trainings, and then the red dots are upcoming birthdays. So, these are 2 of my friends. Their birthdays are coming up. And the great part is because they're already on a birthday campaign in my system, I don't have to do anything to send them cards and gifts and celebrate their birthdays. The system has done it for me. All of our pro members receive 50 free greeting cards. They are the 5x7 greeting cards with a white envelope. You receive 50 of those, which are included in your monthly pro membership fee, and they're you can use them anytime in your billing cycle. They are use them or lose them, so you might as well send them out because they're included as part of your monthly membership. And then right here you can see is the countdown for how many you have left. So you can tell I have 14 of 50 left as of today. I need to get on the ball. Then across the top here, if you wanted to start a new project, you would click this button here. You can access all of your saved projects from this button here. Our gift shop, which is our non-branded, non-customized items. Let's just go in here. I'll just show you what's in here really quick. So we have these additional food items. These are delicious cookies, but as I said, non-branded, non-customized, so there's no customization available. You would just add it to the cart. This phone holder is fantastic. I highly recommend it. It's a very functional and useful gift to send to any of your clients, but particularly those who travel and fly. I know that's not able to be branded, but it is super, super useful, so they will remember you for sure. And then we have, if you wanted to send non-branded food items, we have these different options here. We also have, pistachios and popcorn for a little bit healthier option if that's what you're looking for. So that's our gift shop, which is our non-branded, non-customized items. And we'll come back here. Then if you wanted to access the address book, you would do that here. And then our campaign builder is, you would access that from this button here. The other thing to point out, this little gear icon in the upper right hand corner, you want to click that if you ever need to get access to your profile, your order history. If you needed to change your billing information, you could do that here. Our system does integrate with Zapier and Infusionsoft and Salesforce and Shopify. We have an API, so this is where you would find all the information about all of those integrations here. If you are an affiliate, you could access your affiliate dashboard here. And then if you are a design store artist, then you would access that here where it says Design Store Artist. If you ever wanted to go directly to your shopping cart, you could do that right here. Within the shopping cart, whatever you're going to send out shows up here. And then I'll show you, I'm going to add a gift just to demonstrate what the rest of the shopping cart looks like. So we come back here to the shopping cart. Now, if I wanted to select the recipients, I would do that here. It'll take me to the shopping cart version of the address book. And then there's this handy dandy map here, which is going to give me an estimated delivery time frame. So I can keep an eye, especially if it's a special package that I'm sending and I really want to keep an eye on it, then this gives me an idea of when it's going to arrive. So that's the shopping cart. And also bear in mind that it works, the way that it works is once you put something in the shopping cart, it just lives here until you tell it what to do. You can either tell it to ship it out of the warehouse to somebody or remove it from the shopping cart, which I'm going to do right now. We'll come back here to the main menu. Then the other thing that I wanted to point out is this drop-down menu here. It accesses the same thing that this header menu does, but the extra couple things that you can find here are the document center. So our system allows you to send single and or double-sided Word documents. They are trifold. They come in a standard business size envelope. So if you do any kind of letter mailing, any kind of newsletter update, anything like that, this is a fantastic option for that. And then if you wanted to access the design store, you would do that here. And our design store is fantastic. We actually have a completely separate training video just about the design store, so make sure to check that out. And then the other thing to access from this drop-down menu is our campaign store, which we also have a completely separate training video on. So make sure to check that out. But just as a high-level look, these are all campaigns for different industries that exist within our system. So just like the design store, you just go in, you find a design you like, you select it, you add people to it, and then boom, you're done. So it is all about ease and convenience. And that is the quick high-level tour of the Mailbox Power system.